Hi everybody, my name is Roger Richards and I'm the facilitator of spiritualonline.org. We've just had a wonderful session in which we channeled through the wise words of a Native American Indian chief on why we as humans should maintain connection, spiritual connection, with the soul groups of animals who inhabit our earth plane, as well as the spirit of the nature spirits as well, because our home of Mother Earth is a home to many, and part of our dominion over this world is to foster and maintain the integrity and the well-being of all soul groups and spiritual groups upon this planet of ours. Enjoy. Please hit the like button if you like and subscribe to get more words of wisdom from our spiritual beings and spiritual guides, and hopefully maybe even see you in a live session soon. Okay, enjoy. Before I was approached, I was in the presence of a guide who identified himself as a Native American Indian, like a brave, and he has taken me into the equivalent of his chief's teepee. And the chief is sitting there, sitting cross-legged on the ground. His appearance, his apparition, is that of one of great strength and power. But within that appearance is a man who is much more elderly and diminutive in physical stature. But whenever people came into his presence, it wasn't his physical stature that got their attention, it was this other sense of something far bigger and more powerful around him. And he could invoke into people powerful pictures. And what was important to them at this time, or in one of his lives, was the relationship between his people and the buffalo. And he would send pictures, or he would receive pictures of the soul in the animal kingdom of the buffalo and share those with the leaders in his tribe. And one of the things that was very important for them was a sense of reverence and respect that they had for the soul group of the buffalo, and the way that they interacted with them when the buffalo essentially offered themselves to his people for food, shelter, for all things. And so it was very important for his people to respect the buffalo, take no more what they needed, to extend great gratitude for what they received, and to also be thankful to the earth for being its home and providing just the ability for the buffalo to be there in the grasslands, for them to hunt. And when I say hunt, they were also living together, for there was part of the soul group of the buffalo that lived with my people. And whilst on the surface of it, on the material surface of it, we took the lives of many buffalo, we also ensured the continuity of the buffalo. And through that, the soul of the buffalo spirit was nurtured, it received gratitude from us, and in return it provided abundance to us. And whilst you live in a very different time, and a very different place where we did, the parallel of gratitude of abundance, of respect and connection to other worlds and other soul groups is equally as important. And it is perhaps even more so important now, because the links between humanity and other soul groups, particularly in your animal kingdom, is far more tenuous. And as it becomes more tenuous, the link between the soul group and its purpose on earth may also become more diminished. And there is an intimate connection between all of the spiritual beings incarnated upon the earth. There is a balance and there is a harmony. And whether or not you have direct connection with the animal kingdom, you should very much have connection with the soul groups of all living beings upon your planet, for they are part of your ecosystem. They are part of your life, your survival, and all things good and sustainable in your world. And if one part of that chain, that group, is dismantled, then one by one the kingdoms can fall, for one is dependent and reliant on the other. So together the whole must be kept in balance. And part of that balance is through gratitude and through spiritual soul connection to all living things in your own world. I'll leave you with those thoughts, my friends. Take this practice and these principles into your life. I implore you, and so does the kingdom around you. In your blessings, my friends.